Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to make a simple Navratri Vrat Thali, North Indian style. I have taken 1 cup of sago, washed it thoroughly 2 or 3 times and added water just to the level of the sago. Soaked it for about 5 to 6 hours till the water is absorbed and the sago is nice fluffy and it is nice and soft too. It is well soaked. See here. See, you should be able to press it easily with your hand like this. For this we'll need some coarsely crushed groundnuts. I have dry roasted the groundnuts, removed the peel. Now we'll coarsely crush them in the blender jar. Now first we'll take out this soaked sago in a bowl. See how nice and fluffy it is. The sago grains are all separate. Now to this I am adding a little bit of sugar. I have powdered sugar here. So I am adding some sugar. And this is senda namak or pink salt, which is used usually in fasting recipes. So we'll add the senda namak too. These are the coarsely crushed roasted groundnuts. I'll add that also. Mix all these ingredients well together. Since we are making it for a puja, I am using ghee. Take about 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add some jeera or cumin seeds to it. I have 2 finely chopped green chilies and a few curry leaves. Next, 1 boiled potato which I have chopped into pieces. Just allow the potatoes to lightly get fried. Now keep the flame low and then add in this soaked sago, peanuts, salt, sugar, whatever we have added to this. And mix everything well together. Finally add some fresh chopped coriander leaves and top it up with some lemon juice. Just say 1 or 2 teaspoons of lemon juice will do. And again toss everything well together. The sago should remain separate and fluffy like this. It should not clump together. And your sabudana khichdi is ready. See, adding turmeric is again a regional preference. In some communities they like to add, while others prefer to omit the haldi. So please do according to your family tradition. Now our sabudana khichdi is ready. We can just top it up with some roasted groundnuts which are retained whole. And your sabudana khichdi is ready. Next on our menu is Shrikhand, the sweet dish. For this I have taken some thick curd and I kept it in a cloth and kept another sieve underneath this, and I kept this whole bundle. See, the water has drained out from the curd. This is homemade curd only. And keep it in the fridge. Don't keep it outside. Keep it as such in the fridge. Then it will remain cool. Now we can take this, the thick hung curd. This I am adding some sugar powder, few saffron strands soaked in milk, and we just beat everything well together. Here I have some chopped pista and chopped cashews. We'll add a few on top. Our Kesar Pista Shrikhand is now ready. Next we'll make some stuffed potato patties. Here I have some boiled and peeled potatoes. Now for the stuffing, first we'll crush 2 green chilies and a piece of ginger into a paste. Now take this crushed ginger green chili paste in a bowl. To that add about 2 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut. I have some chopped cashew nuts and some raisins. You can take about 1 tablespoon of each. Add it. This is senda namak or rock salt. Add a teaspoon of lemon juice and some freshly chopped coriander leaves. You can take about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Now mix all these ingredients together. Also, I have some roasted and coarsely pound peanuts. First dry roast them, remove the peel and coarsely grind them in your blender jar. We can add about 2 tablespoons of that also. Now mix all the stuffing ingredients well together. Now mash these potatoes well. We'll just add a little bit of this rock salt for the potatoes. We have added some for the stuffing, just little bit only for the potatoes, and bring everything well together. There should be no lumps. It should be a perfectly smooth mixture. Grease your hands with some ghee and portion out these potatoes into balls of this size. This is arrowroot flour. I will just take some out on a plate. Now roll out one boiled and mashed potato ball like this. Flatten it, make it like a cup. Make it into a cup shape like this. Fill it with this stuffing of coconut and dry fruits. Then close the edges together and again make it like a ball. Cover it so that there is no opening at all. See, potato patties, stuffed potato patties. Now just roll them in some dry arrowroot flour like this and we'll keep it ready. Then we have to deep fry them. I'll make the other stuffings and then we'll come back. Our patties are all stuffed and ready. I have kept some oil for heating. Oil is also hot. Reduce the flame to medium. Just roll the patties in this dry arrowroot flour and deep fry on a medium flame in the hot oil. From time to time flip them over and fry them till they become a lovely golden brown color from all sides and carefully drain it from the oil. Likewise, deep fry the remaining potato patties also. Whenever I make these potato patties, I am reminded of our stay at Indore and where we used to enjoy these lovely potato patties at Rajwada. It was the first time I was introduced to these patties. Being a South Indian, I did not know about this and expected it to taste like a aloo bonda, but I was surprised with the cashew and dry fruit stuffing inside and really enjoyed the taste. See, this batch is also done now. lovely reddish brown color and drain out the patties. Our stuffed potato patties are lovely fried, crisp and ready. Next we'll make a nice chatpata chutney with coriander leaves. Take a good quantity of fresh coriander leaves, and along with this I have taken 2 green chilies and a piece of ginger which I have peeled. We'll add that. See, whenever you grind coriander chutney, use the leaves and don't throw away the stalks. You can use them in the chutney too. They will add to the flavor. Just throw away the roots alone. Wash it very well, of course. To this I am adding some lemon juice, pink salt or senda namak. Just add a little bit of water and grind it into a fine paste. Our tasty, tangy coriander chutney is ready. Now we are ready to serve out our Navratri Vrat Thali. So first we have our sabudana khichdi. Stuffed potato patties. We'll serve out our kesar pista shrikhand also. Quantities you make as required. I have just shown a limited quantity today. And this chatpata coriander chutney. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen. Wish you all a very happy Navratri. Thank you.